This is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. I just want to walk down through here and show you a few machines we have for sale. Got an 1845C case for sale. A good solid machine. It has hand controls. These are kind of getting hard to find that are in this good a condition. And this machine here, I mean, it's a 2001 model. Still runs excellent. It's got a Cummins diesel engine in it. Somewhere around 2,000 hours on the machine, which is, not bad for the year model. Machine still runs real good. 11,900, and you've got a good hand-operated machine. Give us a call at 817-668-1018. Thank you.